see here. By the way, guys, a lot of you guys asked me yesterday on Twitch if I have a course and stuff. I do not have a course, but I do teach in the membership. So if you guys are interested in learning from me, you got the Elite membership, and then you have the Super Supporter membership. So you guys can check those out if you're interested. Those are there. Candle is huge. Holy. We're gonna get a closure here in the 30-minute in about 7 minutes. Keep in mind it's gonna be a closure on the 1 hour, and it's gonna be a closure on the 4-hour time frame. So just simply waiting for this to close. About another 7 minutes here. Need some coffee or something. Need something, guys. I need something. But not like regular coffee. You know, like the coffee that you know you shouldn't be getting, like the ones with like extra stuff, extra pizzazz in it. You know what I mean? Like the way Dutch Bros got their coffee, all that extra pizzazz. Although I don't need all that sugar right now, but it would be nice. Temptations. Let me show you guys. They got like some seasonal stuff too. It's so tempting. So tempting. Let me show y'all this. I know it's like straight sugar too. Look at this, guys. Jingo Nog latte with the sprinkles. Jingo chai. Hazelnut truffle mocha. They got the freeze too. If you don't want the iced coffee, you get the freeze. Cold brew. Hazelnut truffle hot coca. Candy cane mocha. I had the candy cane mocha. That was really good. I had the iced version, and I've tried the frozen version like last month. It was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, they got it hot too? Candy cane hot cocoa. I don't know about this mistletoe stuff. I don't know about that, but holiday cookie. Holiday cookies. Oh my goodness. I know guys. It just looks like straight sugar, right? So tempting. I need one of these though. I could use one of these right now. Need coffee too. You ever see coffee like that, A7, where you are in your country? I know that one's like... You probably haven't seen that stuff, right? Because you guys do more... You have more bitter coffee than sweet coffee over there, right? Don't worry, there's a lot of bitter coffee drinkers here. Like... I used to be told that real coffee drinkers like it bitter. Which I could agree with that, right? If you're a real coffee drinker, you just like coffee no matter what, right? You don't need sugar, cream, nothing, huh? I need a little pizzazz in mine. I can't just, you know. I need a little creamer, a little sprinkle of sugar. Unless the creamer is sweet already, then I don't put any sugar in it, you know. Then I'm good. You get all the sweet stuff in Starbucks. Oh, you got a Starbucks over there? Really? Oh. Okay. I didn't know you guys had Starbucks. Although Starbucks is everywhere, huh? I don't do sugar and gluten. Someone put me in jail. Someone put me in jail. I'm laughing now because you just reminded me of something. I forget which show I was watching last night, but the main character is like a workaholic and really, really great at their job, but they don't know how to take a break. But the moment they like took a break from working, it was like all this drama was going on. And they're like, listen, I need to go back to work or I'm gonna die. Just straight dramatic, but it was funny. On my second week of no sugar in my coffee, nice. A7, shout out to A7. Nice. Love that for you. Anybody else in the chat working on cutting back on sugar? Let me know in the chat. Or anybody, have you done that before? Was it a struggle? For me, I eat the things I eat way less sugar, little to none, compared to how I used to eat years ago. And I will tell you from my personal experience, and I'd love for you guys to share your personal experience with me. From my personal experience, it took a while. It took like trial and error, trying to figure out, you know, what to substitute, right? What should I eat instead of this, you know? But the truth is, the longer you go without eating something, the more you kind of get used to not having it, you know? You know what I mean? Like, the longer you go not having it, you're just kind of like, okay, whatever, meh. I use monk fruit in my coffee. Do you? Wow, I never heard of that. That's a good idea. Monk fruit. Huh. That's interesting. That's really, really interesting. Just use stevia instead of regular sugar. Well, I'm not gonna lie. When I was younger, we used to be so picky on the different sugar names. You know how it is. You know how it is. You know how you go to like an event place or something, and the different sugars, and you're like, damn, this sugar ain't doing nothing. I gotta go with this brand. You know what I'm talking about? You guys know what I'm talking about? When you go to like those events, or when you go to different diners and they got the different sugars sitting there, and you gotta choose from them. Of course, I would choose the sweetest one because to me, the other ones didn't taste like anything. But as I got older, I learned our taste buds get so used to the sweet stuff we taste that when we taste something less sweet, it's not enough. You know? But when you dial back your taste buds and you start eating things with less sugar, as you get older, you're going to start to say, yeah, this got too much sugar. Which is funny, right? Funny how that works. Even with salt. I'll sit there, if I eat something, I'm like, ooh, this is too much salt. But if I was a kid, I wouldn't have said that, you know? But yeah, I was taught that it's really your taste bud palate that you gotta just work on slowly. Then you'll get used to it. Definitely kick the sugar addiction. Should look into the grape for glucose. Hi Bree, Morelands and chat. I'm actually doing no sugar right now, switching out white sugar. And oh, for agave, yeah. I want to try dates sugar. Oh, dates sugar. See, I wouldn't have thought of that one either. I already don't drink dark soda. I know how to make ginger ale. Oh, you make your own ginger ale? Hey, okay. Let me know in the chat if you drink soda. Let me know in the chat. The way I was raised, my mom never bought soda. I used to tell, people used to think I was joking, but I used to tell people like, all we got is water and milk. Like, GG's. All we got is water and milk. What you want? You know? Can't afford all that. It is what it is. We can't afford all that. We got water and milk. So, pick your poison. You know? But, when we have like, say like a family member come into town and stay over, you know how you got a family member from far out that comes into town and stays overnight at your house? We used to joke all the time because my mom would buy apple juice, orange juice. She'll make, you know, like a whole like, cran apple juice. I love cran apple juice. And I'm like, damn, y'all need to visit here more often so I could get some options. I need some options in this bitch. We need company all the damn time, okay? We need company every damn week so I can have some options. You know? But yeah, that was funny. That would be so funny, guys. Now that company's here, they get to choose. That, for as a kid, that was luxury to me. Apple juice, orange juice, that was luxury. Are you kidding me? What? Shoot. Grateful for that. I'd be so happy. It's the little things, guys. It's the little things. When you grow up a certain way, some kids, they walk in their fridge, they got every juice possible available to them. Other kids don't, Everybody grew up a different way. But yeah, I would get so excited for those drinks. And obviously no soda. No soda. So I never really had a want for soda because I didn't grow up having it, Although we did have ginger ale, but we didn't really drink ginger ale unless maybe we had like an upset stomach or something. Maybe like sip some ginger ale or whatever. But other than that, it wasn't like drinking it like that or nothing. If you guys consider ginger ale a soda, I guess that's the only soda I'll really have in life. Is that, Do we consider ginger ale soda? Let me know in the chat. Actually, let's do a poll. I'm gonna do a poll. Hold your horses. This is your own personal opinion, guys. It's gonna be anonymous. Personal opinions here. Oh, I can't freaking spell. Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. Let's see. Your mom when company comes is always different than the ones you get without company. Yup. Oh yeah. Ginger ale's medicine? Yeah, I see it as medicine too. Like I have it for specific reasons. Other than that, it's just sitting there. Or not even sitting there. I only buy it if I feel like I need it, to be honest. Ooh, this is gonna be an interesting poll. Alrighty, we had the 1 hour and the 4 hour close there. So let's take a look. Well, we definitely nah, it's hard to see it. Let me see it on the 15. Could barely see it on the 15, my goodness. Let me see it on the 5. $73 points is killing me. Goodness. A lot of volume, guys. These two 5-minute candles alone, 73 points. Let's see. Just moving up and up and up and up. I'm gonna keep watching it on the 5-minute for now. This thing's just been moving with no mercy, no pullbacks, no mercy. Hi, Saya. Good morning to you. Chat, go ahead and give me a 111 in the chat. We are gonna do our daily affirmation. Because we didn't do that, did we? I don't think so. today is, what is today? Oh, today's the 11th. Look at that. Okay. December 11th, 2025. You've been holding your breath, waiting for things to get easier. They won't, but you'll get stronger. And that's better than easy ever was. Amazing, amazing. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, the point is to get stronger, right? To get stronger in all areas of life. You know, you want to strengthen all your attributes. You know, chat. It's not about being the best human. I don't think the best human exists, but the best version of yourself exists, right? So no competition with anybody but yourself. You want to be the best version of yourself. And on your journey to become the best version of yourself, when you finally lock in and do that, I'm telling you, you're going to see things turn around for you, because you're not worried about other people's opinions. You're just locked in on the mission you're on, you know? This thing is firing up. Holy. I mean, Fitness dropped some Nasdaq sells in the chat. He said got a 1 to 3. Oh wait, what'd you say there? Quick sniper entry on Nasdaq, a 9:30 opening. Got a 1 to 3 R to R. Thank you for sharing that. Get a W on that for you. Great job there. I mean, Fitness. Alrighty. Did you change your chart colors? I think they were different before, huh? We also got Astronaut sent in their chart this morning from Top Step. Okay, I was gonna congratulate you on the 1K setup. However, as somebody who's an analyst and a developer, I spot things very quickly. But congratulations on your setup. However, we're gonna use this as a learning experience, okay? This is gonna help you, not hurt you. It's gonna help you. If I zoom in, and I've had Top Step, so I know what this stuff means. Yes, I do see a lot of entries here. I'm not gonna get on you for the entries. Is that what you thought I was gonna get on you for? No, I'm not gonna get on you for taking 100 entries. But I will get on you for, because that part is self-explanatory, right? But what I will say is, you have a 50K Express account, and the balance, you start with a balance of 2,000. Can't start no higher. You start with a balance of 2,000. Once that balance goes to zero, you lose your account. So you went from 2,000 down to $500, which happens. That happens. That's not the part I'm getting on you for. The part I'm getting on you for is you're down $1,500 on the day, and you decide to take 2 contracts on NQ, which is $40 a point. You're down 583. So let me do some math real quick. 583, it's just for learning purposes, guys. Divide it by $40. Your stop loss cannot be bigger than 14 points. 14 and a half points. So when I congratulate you, I'm congratulating you on the sniper, because luckily, if you look at this entry, you've never gotten drawdown. Luckily, you've never gotten drawdown, because, I mean, just this, let me see. Literally, I kid you not, this is 36 and this is 60. What's 36 to 60, chat? 24 points? If price went from here to this small line, you would have lost your account. So again, congratulations on the sniper with no drawdown. I give you that. But I'm just saying, from your entry, this green line to this gray line, chat, can y'all see that gray line? Can y'all see my mouse? Give me a 3 to chat if you guys can see the mouse. I don't know if you guys see the mouse on stream. Literally from here to here is 24 points. You couldn't lose more than 14 points. So I would just recommend risk management wise. Obviously, you gambled your way back, but just be careful risk management wise. You want to take it serious because you're going to end up doing this in your own personal live account and you're going to lose your money. And I hate to see you lose your money. You know what I mean? So even though maybe this isn't your personal account, I get it, it's a prop firm account, but you still did the hard work and passed the express. Okay, so just treat it accountably. You know, you get the energy that you put out, guys. You get the energy that you put out. This is why a lot of people don't maintain accounts, because they're gambling to maintain it. If you're gambling to maintain an account, how are you going to be doing this as extra income? A lot of people come here, they come to this channel, they come in the chat and they say, oh, my goal is to be a full-time trader. My goal is to be a part-time trader. My goal is to quit my job. My goal, blah, 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 blah. But they're gambling still. So it's like, you can't do that when the rent is due. You get what I'm saying, guys? When your mortgage is due. When your kids, some of you guys got kids. Your kids got to eat. You going to gamble that money? Are you kidding me? No, you're not, right? Can you imagine the psychological? Can you imagine what that'll do to you? No. Right? So what we have to do is what we do in practice, we do in the game. Right? You gotta take it serious at all times. Okay? You have to. You have to. So yeah, that's my feedback to you. I'm giving you positive and negative feedback, but all in all, I hope you take that as positive feedback overall. You got lucky that time, but you may not get lucky the next time, and I really hate to see you lose your account. So, giving you real advice. Thank you, Bree. Okay, let's see here. We circled back up. I've been watching, guys. It's just it hasn't been an entry for me, you know. Like I like the idea of this fall. However, there wasn't really an entry for me. It was just falling and falling and falling, you know. It's a lot of points too. Like if I were to measure this, there's 109 points. I didn't really have like an entry opportunity. Then we check it out in the 5-minute. We circled back up. Didn't really have an entry opportunity. I like the buy idea. We did leave this gap here, so that's filled. But just hasn't been like an entry, you know? Unless you're impulse in it type of thing. Look at it. Look at it on the 1 minute. It's just up and up and up and up and up. It's just either you were in it or you weren't. Same thing over here. Either you were in this or you weren't, right? So I haven't really seen any entry opportunity here. So I'm talking with you guys, but I am, as you know, always watching. Always. This thing is flying. Holy. Had to learn the hard way. Yeah, we all do. I had to learn the hard way too. We all do. We all learn the hard way. Over and over and over, right? That's just how it is. But you know why? Because a lot of us wouldn't learn unless we learned the hard way, of course, right? Most of us, we know what we're doing, but we still do it anyway, right? To be fair. But we're only human, guys. You know, no one's expected to be perfect at all. This isn't a perfect field. You're gonna mess up. You're gonna make mistakes. It happens. It does. Play Fortnite later. Alright, you want to see me crash out again? Because that fall was ridiculous yesterday. I had some good games yesterday, yeah. The last game I played, I think we had 5 kills. And I came in 3rd place. Yeah, it was the last game we played yesterday. Yeah, that last game yesterday was very interesting. I shouldn't have looked at those coffees, because now I really want one. Sadly. Oh no. I really want one of those. Shouldn't have looked it up. Jeez, Nasdaq. Jeez. It's pouring up here. You see it on the 1 hour. 42 minutes left. Holy. 42 minutes. 12 minutes on the 30. This is 78 points away. We could be headed up there. Are we in the 60s? We're in the 60s, so I'm thinking we head up towards the 80s, 90s, and then 600 areas here. 610, 620, 630. We may be heading up towards 630, 640 area. It's possible. But I guess it's just no mercy. Like, give us something, man. Jeez. Hey everybody, welcome in, welcome in. Let me know in the chat if you took a trade today, who took a trade today, who didn't take a trade today. Let me know. Did you take a trade? Did you not take a trade? And shout out to everyone who's been coming through on Twitch. 2 days in a row. We got more people than I expected, so I appreciate you guys so much. So thank you guys so much. Seriously, I think we can get to Twitch partner, guys. If those of you who's here right now, if all y'all hop over to Twitch while we're live streaming later on New York session, I think we can do it. I know we can do it. We can definitely do it. We can definitely get Twitch partner. We should definitely work on that. So tomorrow's Friday. I'm thinking on Fridays. On Fridays that we start and end on Twitch on Fridays. Fridays may be longer days. That's what I'm thinking about doing, guys. Okay. So like during the week, we'll do YouTube, of course, in the morning. Twitch later on for those who want to come on later on in New York session. But as far as starting the stream, I'm thinking we start the stream tomorrow morning on Twitch. I think we should give that a go. I am thinking price is gonna head to the 40s too. a little stab at it. 30s and 40s. Thinking is the finish line here. Where's 40? 40 is right here. This last big area in here to flush out too. Good area to flush out. Small risk, nothing crazy. Going for about 50 points. Gonna move stops to break even. Just because I got in a little bit late. So I'm just going to take all the risk off the table. Stops are at break even. Oh, not 50 points. I'm sorry, guys. 45 points. Okay, 45, 50, same thing, right? 45 points. Going for 45 points here. But I did enter a little late. So I'm just going to secure stops very quickly. No risk on the table for me. Just seeing if I can get a little pop. Even 30 points is cool. 30 points is or 35 points would be 30 on the dot. This area too would be cool too. 30 point. I'm just looking to squeeze out the last 40 points of this push. See if we can close out the rest of this imbalance here. Buy an ES, made 1,000. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, on 5 accounts, nice. Made 700 in Q. Awesome, awesome. Don't forget me when you get big on Twitch. You're funny, Mal. I can never forget you, Mal. Can never forget you. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe about 2 more points. We should be up 30 points. Oh shit! Oh shit! Just looking for 45 point pop here. Trying to squeeze out the last 50 points of this imbalance. Was looking for it to be filled. I kind of spotted it last minute, but 50 points left of the imbalance. That's enough points for me to get in a little scalp, you know? I don't mind 50 points. Now, if it was like 20 points left, then no, I'm not. I'd stay right out of it, right? But yeah, just trying to squeeze out the last bit of this imbalance here. 30 is pretty good, so I did put a TP line at 30. I should make this TP1, TP2, huh? It should be TP1. 40 is a little bit of a stretch, but if we get all the way to 40, we get all the way to 40. So I'll keep this at 40 though. Come on, 30. Come on, give it to us. 35 points, give it to us. Don't be like that. Don't you be like that, Nasdaq. I'm gonna play that Cardi B.
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
Okay, let's take some money there. And that'll be trade number 1. That was a good one. That was a good one. And I'm gonna take a second here because, yeah, I was gonna say this looked like it may come in heavy. We haven't had a major pullback thus far. I got 25 points. Or is that 26? What's the context? Oh, of the original soundbite, like why she crashed out. It's hilarious. I didn't tell you, it's one of my favorite Cardi B moments. It was basically the reunion of one of those shows. They were on a reunion. I completely forget what the girl said word from word, but I guess she was kind of denying her reasoning for whatever she did to Cardi B. And Cardi B's like, so what was the reason then? So what was the reason? So what was the reason? And then she just starts going in. That shit is so funny. Holy, I'm gonna let y'all hear it one more time.
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
Bro, it never gets old. It just never gets old. Cardi B crashing out sound bites. Top tier. Isn't that like viral on YouTube? Hold on. I gotta look it up on YouTube. I think it's viral. It has to be. In the flesh. That was this one.
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch? I don't need to explain myself to you. And what was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch? I don't need to explain myself to you. And what was the reason?
Yeah. It's so funny. It's so old, but it's so funny. Holy. She recently had another one. I should have clipped it for a soundbite. She went off on her chat, and it was just so funny. Now she goes live on Twitter. She goes live in her Twitter spaces. She talks to the chat. She started crashing out on the chat. It was just so funny. I should have clipped that one too. That was recent. I can't remember what she said, but she was like, it's a love and hate with my fans because sometimes they just be getting on her. They be doing too much. Now, I will say, I've seen Cardi B's fan base on Twitter. They are extremely opinionated, okay? I see what she's saying. They are, listen. Her fan base is opinionated as hell. You know who else's fan base is opinionated? Nicki Minaj's fan base is very opinionated as well, too. Beyonce's fan base is very opinionated, too. I'm talking about, like, a big chunk of them. Holy. They will come for you. You say anything wrong, they are on you, man. They are on you like white on rice. They don't care if you got 2 followers or if you got 100K followers or 1 million followers. Yeah, I've seen the damage, man. They will spam you every day. Holy, they will make you feel it. They will make you regret whatever you typed. They don't care. You got 0 followers. They still gonna make you feel it. It's a new day on the internet, guys. People don't care no more. They come for everybody. They say nobody's safe. Ain't nobody safe. Ride or die? Yeah, they ride or dies for sure. I do think there's a different, I mean, there's one thing when people hate on people on the internet, yeah, but there's a difference between stating an opinion and then just talking crap about someone you don't know. You know what I mean? I think people can have their opinion. Like, if people don't like a song, they don't like a song. It is what it is. But then you got, you got people who call songs trash just because of the artist singing it. But if a different artist sung the same song, same words, it wouldn't be trash, right? So you got people who are biased, giving opinions, but then you got people who are just generally, maybe they just genuinely don't like the song, Nothing wrong with that. We're not gonna like every song, I'm sure there's albums, right? You guys listen to albums. You ever skip a song on an album? Yeah, maybe you didn't like the song as much as the other songs, That happens. Let's see. I'm gonna scout my way up today. It's a new 30-minute candle. This hourly candle's bugging me. It's got 27 minutes left, and I just feel like it's a bit confusing of a 1-hour candle. Don't completely trust it. Guess we'll keep it on 5. They all like to fight each other. Yup. Yeah, the internet's been pretty brutal, I will say. The stuff I've been seeing online, holy. I even like viral posts, if you click and read comments, people are arguing with each other. They don't even know each other, and they're literally just going off on each other, bullying each other in comments of like random stuff. It's a whole new day now. It's crazy. But people are tough when they can type out words, I guess. You know, that's so tough on chat. Typing out words. That will always blow me, to be honest. Let's see here, 1 minute. By the way, guys, don't forget, tomorrow morning, we're going to be on Twitch tomorrow morning. So don't forget to follow me on Twitch. Turn on those post notifications. We're going to start early tomorrow. I want us to work on getting Twitch partner. You guys helped me get Twitch affiliate 2 years ago. We averaged 50 viewers. We did pretty good, guys. We did good. But we got to average 75 to get Twitch partners. So I need you guys. Let me see. We can definitely do it for sure. Oh, there goes Nightbot. Right on time, Nightbot. Right on time. Nightbot's got the Twitch link right there. Thank you to you guys who subbed up with Amazon Prime. I appreciate you guys. You can sub up on Twitch for free with Amazon Prime, guys. Takes away all the ads. Twitch is different from YouTube. On YouTube, I don't know why, but if you're a member, you don't get ad-free streams. You should though, right? Like, that's so stupid. How come they don't have that? I don't know why they don't have that yet. That's weird, right? YouTube, hello. Can we give members ad-free streams? Ad-free videos? Like, what? Members should have to watch any ads. Like, it makes no sense. But yeah, on Twitch you can. So if you guys have Amazon Prime, whether you use your Amazon Prime or not on Twitch, it just sits there. So if you guys want to sub up on Amazon Prime, would appreciate it. You guys get ad-free for everything. You're allowed to choose one streamer every month for free on Amazon Prime, for those who didn't know. So if you watch multiple people like me, I watch a lot of people on Twitch, guys. There's a lot of people I enjoy watching on Twitch on different days. So yeah, Amazon Prime ain't doing it enough because I gotta alright, let me support these few over here. Let me go support these few over here. And this month, okay, I'm gonna choose these 5, you know. I try to mix it around the type of streamers I like to watch. Righty, we're coming on down here. Coming on down. We did leave a little bit of space down here. But This is also a key level, so I'm going to be very cautious of this level here at 568. We pushed through it to the downside, we pushed through it to the upside a few times. Here we had a reversal on it. Here we had a reversal on it. Another reversal on it. And then some more extraness on it. So, very important level. But it's been broken multiple times. As we speak, looks like it's getting broken, guys. See, I don't think we have too far to go though. 38 points. Let's see if it holds. Let's see. Chat, what you guys have for breakfast this morning? What you drink, what you eat? Let me know in the chat. What did you drink, what you eat this morning? Anybody have apple juice, orange juice, coffee, tea? What else? Hot chocolate? It's winter time, right? Anybody have hot chocolate? Yeah, let me know in the chat. Hot cocoa? That sounds good right now. I'm about to go get some. You had air. Why do you always have air for breakfast, Mal? We got to do something about that. We got to send you like a personal chef or something. Thank you, Haramichi. Thank you for sending the like there, the Nightbot. Coffee and coffee, A7. I'm dead. A7 always having coffee for breakfast. So tell me this, chat. A lot of people in the world tend to not eat breakfast. Can you guys tell me why you guys don't eat breakfast? I'm just curious. Is it because you don't have time? Or is it because you get up early and then you don't want to eat early? Or is it because you don't feel like cooking? What is it? Do you just not like breakfast food? Because most people these days, it seems like they never eat breakfast. I'm just curious. Like during the week, they never eat breakfast. Making some new egg whites. Ooh. So I sent the reminder. Thank you. Turkey bacon and eggs on a bagel with hash brown on top. Wait a minute. Did you cook that? I mean fitness. Now I ain't gonna lie. You had a W trade this morning, so well deserved. Did you cook that or did your girlfriend cook that? Tell the truth. Tell the truth and only but the truth. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, let me pull up your trade from this morning. You had a W trade, so well deserved breakfast. That's what I used to do, guys. I used to, if I traded well and I followed my rules when I was a beginner, I'd have a really good breakfast. But if I didn't trade well, if I didn't follow my rules, I'd have like no breakfast or just crappy breakfast. So I like had like a reward system, you know? So don't be afraid to make a reward system for yourselves. That works as well. Okay. May take a scalp, another scalp here. This level down in here is pretty good. Tell you, it's scalp day today, chat. It's scalp day. Another 50 points. Last time we only got 20 out of the 40, so I'll see if we can get 50. It would be nice. 511 to 480. Where am I at? 480. Oh, 480 is down here. Oh, we may get to 480. Where's that at? Right here. Okay. We'll put a extra. Extra TP. I'm gonna move this one up then. 50 should be maybe like, that'd be 20 points shorter though. 520, maybe 510. 510 guys, 510, 510. I'm doing quick math in my head, guys. Yeah, 510. 510 it is. 510 and 480. 30-point difference in those TPs there. I do double the risk, but the way the market's been moving pretty quickly, this is where I would want to add to. I don't think I want to risk 600 on it though, guys. Or it wouldn't be 600, it'd probably be, if we did double the risk, it'd probably be like 750 risk. Although we do have a cushion. We have a cushion. I'm gonna add a sell position. Yeah, we have a cushion on the day. Yeah, we have a cushion, so. New 5-minute candle. See here, brand new 5-minute. Average entry got pushed down like 30 points with the volume. Cooked it myself. My lady's at work. So I had no choice. You're funny. I had no choice. What I eat for breakfast? Oh, I don't eat at 6 in the morning. I gotta wait till a little bit later on. I'll eat after the stream ends. Probably make myself something to eat. Still got some. I may do some oatmeal today because I'm a little cold today. I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling a little chilly in the house. Maybe a warm breakfast. Alright, guys. Like I said, average entry got pushed down 30 points. But that's a-okay. I'm gonna go ahead and move the stop loss down to here. Oops, let me do that. Move the stop loss down to here, so that now we're not risking 750. Now I'm only risking 200 bucks. All right, so that's how you do it. So let's just secure risk now. Instead of 750, it's a $200 risk. We added on double the position, and although it sucks, the average entry was up here, but let's see. So this is no longer 50 points. TP1 is 28 points now instead of 50. And TP2 is 58 points instead of 70. So second trade of the day should be the second W. Cha-ching. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Let's get some W's going in the chat. Let's go ahead and celebrate it. Let's hype it up. Realest trader on YouTube. Let's clap it up for someone who's been trading profitably in front of you for 4 years straight. 4 years of profitability has been shown on YouTube live. Can't manipulate it. Can't make it up. Can't lie about it. Can't lie about any loss. Can't lie about any win. Both has been shown. Losing streaks has been shown. Winning streaks has been shown. Ups and downs have been shown. Real stuff has been shown. Everything's been shown. Very transparent on losses and wins. Transparent on advice. I'm gonna move my stops to TP1 at 510, guys. Secure the bag. Actually move my stops above this wick. Stops are above this wick. See if we can smash TP2. Let's get some hype in the chat, y'all. Come on, W's in the chat. Let's hype it up. Come on. 1K? Is that 1K? Can we get 1K? Hype it up. Come on. Fire W's, whatever you got. I just saw 777. 777. 900, 950. Can we see 1K, chat? Can we see 1K? God damn, 950 or $50 off there. We were $50 off, guys. Holy. It did just drop a bit, so it may want to retrace. So it is what it is. But hey, we're just taking what we can get at this point. 952, I just saw. 980. Come on, two more points. There we go. 1K. I just saw it flash there. 1K, guys. That's 1K. Can we smash TP2 live on stream? Beauty, isn't it? Cha-ching, come on. Yes, there we go. We're gonna close that trade, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. 4 years. 4 years of doing this, guys. So remember, guys, if you guys want to learn from me, you can certainly learn from me just from watching the streams. You can also learn from me by purchasing a membership. That's where I teach in the memberships, guys. All right, www. Phenomenal trade. Thank you, guys. Missed the move because I was in a meeting. Oh no, that's okay. There will be more. That's okay. A-okay. There's always gonna be more trades, guys. So let's talk about this trade a little bit. Let's talk about it. Oh, there's one more pocket. Oh, I could have held it a little longer. I didn't see that. didn't see that. Yeah, this is a good TP area, right? It's perfect TP right there. That tap right there is perfect. That's all right. It was just another 20 points below. You're still holding. Yeah, that was that the 50s? Oh no, we didn't touch the 50s, the 60s. Yeah, I took TP at the 80s, but the 60s was really good. Great zone in there. Hey, what are you chewing? Excuse me. Yeah, come here. What's in your mouth? Get up. Come here. Hold on, chat. Hold on. I don't want my dog to choke. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's make sure we like up the stream. Like up the stream for some good luck. If you just watched me take that trade and you don't like that stream, you're a hater. Yeah, smile about it. Smile about it. Because your bank account ain't smiling with you. Mine is. My bank account will smile right back at you. How about that? Me and it. Together. We'll double team smile back. Alright, let's see here. Let's see here. Where are we at, chat? Where are we at? It's almost 11 o'clock. Jeez. Lots of volume today in the market. Great volume. Just scalping our way around today. Good money. Over 1,500 today on stream. Reverse back up here, I see. What should we do today on Twitch, guys? I know I'm not gonna take any more trades today, so we're probably not gonna do the day trading per se. Probably do some gaming. Oops. Let me do Fortnite again. A7, you want to play Sons of the Force? Let me know if you want to do that. I forget oh, let me instead of having you type, I'll go on the mic so it's easier. I'm in the Discord. that I don't make you type all that out. It's breakfast time for me, so. Hey, good morning, A7.
Hey, good morning, mate. How you doing?
Doing great, doing great.
Happy days.
How you doing?
Yeah, all good, like.
All good. I just really
Yeah,
appreciate those who are here who really support the stream. Um,
yeah.
we really got some real ones for sure. We got some real ones.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, there's a lot of good people here.
Do you know what we had left to do in the game? Because I completely forgot. I know we did a bulk of things last time we played.
There's still two endgame items, the katana and the rifle.
Oh, and the shotgun too, huh?
Oh, yeah, and the shotgun, yeah.
So I'm wondering, do we have to explore all the caves and like explore everything for the drop off point? I'm sorry, not the drop off point, but the point where they pick us up, the excavation site.
I don't know if they do pick us up, do they?
I saw somebody's clip. I don't know if it was in game, but it said in game, and you were running to the helicopter, and all the monsters and stuff were trying to grab the helicopter down, and then you finally leave the island or something. So I don't know if that's
Oh,
how
there
it
is an endgame.
ends.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't
okay,
know
okay.
if that's how it ends or what. They were like running for it to the beach.
Ah,
So I'm wondering
okay.
if you have to activate your cell phone on all the places for it to give you that activation site to run to the beach
Yeah.
for the
Aye,
helicopters to come.
probably, yeah. Probably.
But I have no idea. Yeah, I'm just guessing based off of the short I saw, but I don't know.
I didn't know there was like an endgame sequence for it.
Unless that was from the first game. Probably not though, huh?
God, I can't remember if the first game had an endgame sequence either.
Ah. Oh, so you just like played and survived?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I just played, built bases, survived.
See, I could play those games for a little bit and then I get bored. I
Yeah,
get
yeah, me
so
too.
bored because I like action.
Once you get, once you get all the items and shit, it's like, what do you do now?
Yeah, I feel bored with the game now because now it's just like, okay, now that we know how to beat the monsters and all that, now it's just kind of like, okay, what else? There's nothing really, not much else besides hunting weapons, I guess. The beginning part was fun, like trying to figure it out, and
Oh, it was
but I
good. I
guess
liked
once
the
you get
storyline
the
and
bulk of it done, you're like, oh, okay. Well, me anyway. Me anyway. You know what I was thinking about buying though?
everything.
The farm simulator.
Okay.
It has a good it has a good score for the time I'll be streaming it. So it could be
That's
a
meant to be
good game to grind on.
it's meant to be a good game, that, yeah.
I think it's like $30 or $40, but hopefully it's worth. You know,
Yeah,
I don't
it's
like
got
playing
really
for
good
games
reviews.
unless I know what the game is
Aye.
actually gonna do. You know.
It's got good reviews as far as I know.
But also, if you ever want to play Warzone again, since we already had it, I think all we have to do is
Alright,
just
okay.
update it. Would you want to play Warzone again? That may be cool.
I've not got it installed at the minute. I'd have
Oh,
to
I
install
don't
it all
either.
again.
I don't either, but I'm getting ready to get off to take a break here.
Nice, okay. Oh yeah,
Yeah, I
of
don't
course
know
you're
how
still
that
on
because
YouTube.
Warzone is a free game. So
Yeah, Warzone is free, yeah.
Supreme just had a new drop in 1 minute. It's sold out in 1 minute. So. Yeah, we may have fun playing Warzone again. I did see whose stream was I on? FaZe Replays' stream yesterday. He's doing his game capture from one of the Elgato drives. And I was like, oh, so that it's not weighing on the streaming software. They got all these little like tips and tricks that they're doing to keep the computer from crashing.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
The farming simulator is...
If you're playing a game for that many hours, you definitely... How much is it?
26 British pounds, so it's about $30 or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think that game's multiplayer. I think it's...
It does have co-op. It does have
co-op. Does it?
Yeah. Yeah,
I gotta open Steam.
It's listed on Steam as online co-op, so you must be able to do it with a friend.
Oh, I didn't know that. But yeah, I'm thinking about grinding on that game. What's the other game called? Oh, there's this egg game people are playing, but I have no idea. Oh, here's Warzone. Yeah, because Warzone could be fun. Frustrating when you lag though. That shit is like
Yeah, I'd need to install that on the PC. I don't think this laptop's quite up to Warzone.
Warzone will definitely rage bait you for sure. Bound to rage in the game.
I'm worried about.
I can't believe PUBG didn't have anybody in the servers. Like what?
That was kind of...
When it just had all these updates this year. That sucks. Counter-Strike is free. And it's popular.
I think my wee brother plays Counter-Strike.
Really? But I know you can't use controller though. That's the only thing. Yeah, you can't use controller.
That sucks.
Yeah, that's pretty ass, I'm not gonna lie.
No, it's ass, yeah.
I can't use controller, Counter-Strike. Come on. That's crazy. It's not even fair. I got Battlefield 2024. I've never played it and I never downloaded it. I just bought it.
Everyone's on the new Battlefield at the minute. I bet there's no one playing that either.
The 2024? You know what? Now that you said it, I should look it up.
There's a new one. Battlefield 6 is out at the minute. And apparently it's really good as well.
Let's see. Battlefield 2024.
Fucking expensive.
600k people followed it, but there's only 6 viewers. Damn.
Put Battlefield 6
ass.
in and
6 viewers.
See how many people's on Battlefield 6.
Oh, Battlefield. 4,000 viewers. Yeah, big difference, huh?
Yep, that's where everybody's at right now.
Oh, so that's the newer one then.
Yeah, that's the newest one. It's expensive though.
What about Counter-Strike? 500k viewers, 38 million followers on Counter-Strike. Are you shitting me? What the actual fuck? Right now there's 500k people watching this.
Oh wait, man, really?
Oh, they're doing a tournament. Okay, there's a tournament too going on.
Yeah, but Jesus Christ.
500,000 motherfucking people.
Wow.
Look at this chat. What the actual fuck? This guy's got 200k.
I am impressed. Holy shit.
Oh my goodness.
Shit.
Maybe I'll would you download this one? This one's free.
I'd never manage it. My hands are too slow for mouse and keyboard. I'd get annihilated, man.
That's what I was thinking too. For me.
Yeah.
I just like controller better.
Yeah, me too.
But to be fair, this type of game, it looks like you're just running and shooting. I mean, yeah, there may be some other buttons, but it looked like it may be fun. What the hell? Wait, no, that's crazy that many people. Wait a minute. Let me look up the Twitch tracker score for this. I'm so curious now. Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike 0? Oh, this wasn't the first one. There's nobody playing all the other ones. Everyone's playing this one, it looks like. Average viewers is 100K at all times. That's crazy.
That's impressive.
Like, Clockwork, always over 100K people watching?
That is impressive.
There's an average of 1,400 channels. Yo, 1,400 channels. CSGO, always pull a crowd. Really? Do you watch people play it? I've never seen anybody play it. Wow. Let me get their score. I'm gonna have to do some math real quick. They score above a 1. This is well worth me downloading and just I'll grind on it to get better at it, because I mean, anything you grind on, you'll get better. You know? It's free too, so I don't mind. Okay, they score at 2% rate. Yeah, it's pretty low. 2% discovery is so low, but worth the grind. A7. This girl got 600K views. Not viewers, but views. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's impressive numbers, like
300K views. I wonder if they have story mode.
No, I think it's fine.
Well, looking it up, it looks like there's a way to maybe finesse. Is there a way to finesse controller? By using Steam input. Controller configuration, use Steam input, translate your physical commands to the game. Yeah, I heard about this, A7. I think there is a way to get controller on it by using the Steam input to register your controller.
You can map a controller to any keyboard and mouse game, any game, but it's ass.
Oh, here it is. Here it already popped up. Do you want to add your PlayStation controller to Counter-Strike?
The latency is insane, mate. It's too slow. It's terrible. Trying to put a controller on a game that wasn't made for a controller is terrible.
Controller would get you effed up in that game.
Yep, 100%.
Yeah, I'm gonna download it. All right, we're gonna do Counter-Strike today, guys. We're gonna grind. I guess that'll be something different.
Nice.
Something new. It's definitely gonna take trial and error. It can't be that bad though. I mean, WASD and mouse to look around. The rest is just aiming and shooting. To be fair, I do find other PC games I played, most people are kind of playing similar unless they're pros. So you do have that learning curve, you know, where everyone's kind of, their aim is off and stuff. You ever play Rogue Company?
No.
That is all mouse and keyboard, and at first I was like, oh hell no, but the more you play, like, everyone's kind of playing similar, like similar levels. So that's pretty cool. I may have to try Rogue Company again. Let me see. Is that free? And you know what else? Rogue Company, I would assume, is more simpler than Counter-Strike. Because with Rogue, there's not much buttons. is really like not much. So I think that's why too. Would you play Rogue? I used to grind on Rogue, and I used to trade and play
mouse
Rogue.
and keyboard, lads. I can't do mouse and keyboard.
You're not gonna try it?
It's too painful for me. I can't do it.
Okay.
I need that carpal tunnel operation. I can't hold my hand like that.
Damn. I'm glad you said that too. That's something to be careful of for sure. Carpal tunnel.
Yeah, I've had it since I was like 15, mate.
Whoa,
My hands have been
really?
so bad since I was, yeah, honestly.
Gee,
The
did
pain
you ever
now.
wear like a cast because of the pain?
I've got special gloves that I put on sometimes when it's proper painful, yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness.
Mhm.
I've only had carpal tunnel a few times, and I did not enjoy it, so I can't imagine what you're feeling. Oh my goodness. Jeez. I'm sorry, A7.
The only reason I've not got the operation is because you get a scar from your wrist to your elbow on each arm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you got
yeah,
it in
it's-
both arms? Or both hands?
Yeah, both hands. Yeah.
No. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. My hands are so sore, mate. That's why you know how I've got two motorbikes. Well, you'll have forgotten about the second one, the Kawasaki, the ZX7R sports bike.
Yeah.
I've not rode it in like, I don't know, 7 years, because I can't stay on it for more than 10 minutes. It's so painful on my hands. I cannot bear that pain.
No. Jeez.
Yep.
So when you play controller, you know how people buy like special things to put on the controller? Do you buy like special things to put on your controller? Does that help?
No, but the reason I do use an Xbox controller is because they're bigger, and I do have quite big hands as well, so it's more comfortable for me. An Xbox controller's always been more comfortable than a PlayStation controller for me.
Okay. That makes sense.
Just because of its size and the shape and whatnot. Yeah.
That makes sense. Hey, I'm sorry, A7.
No, it's all good. Right? I just need
Jeez.
to buck my ideas up and go and tell them I'm ready for this operation. Like.
So the only like keyboard and mouse game you can play is something that's like just moving around, not really like
Yeah, kind of slow paced.
like Pokemon or something. You know, you just like moving. You're not really like. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Damn. I'm thinking of trying the Counter-Strike.
I think you should give it a go, to be honest.
Could be something.
Might as well.
Could be something in that. There's definitely a game I want to grind the farm simulator. Well, between this or the farm simulator, I want to grind.
Well, you can still do both. You can switch up games every day, can't you? If you want
Yeah,
to
that's
mind.
true. That's
Yeah.
true. All right, guys. I guess we'll take a little 2-hour break. I'll go live on Twitch in another 2 hours. You guys will see the notification. I'll put the notification in the Discord on Twitter as well. But if you guys have notifications on, you guys should see it. I'm gonna grind out. I'm gonna try Counter-Strike, and I'm gonna watch some videos while I cook on like beginner
nice.
tips, because I've never seen gameplay or anything.
Either have I, mate. I've got nothing for you. I've never watched it in my life.
I can't believe they're literally playing a competition right now. 500k is crazy. 500k people. Holy. It's bigger than TV numbers.
That is, yeah. It's massive.
Jeez. Alright, A7. Have a good one.
Yeah, no worries,
see
mate.
ya.
You too.
Bye.
Okay, ta-da.
Alright, chat. I'll see you guys on Twitch in 2 hours. I hope you guys had a great morning. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys on Twitch. I do plan on being up there for a few hours. More than a few hours. I'm going to be grinding. So I hope to see you guys there. I'm going to go ahead and download this game right now while I'm going to go cook. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to smile.